News of more tu-tu-meh-meh between the BJP and the Congress, with the MP here, Digvijay Singh, reigniting the quota fire. Congress's Digvijay Singh is pitting Muslims against Dalits over government jobs, says the BJP. While speaking at an event in Bhopal, Digvijay Singh claimed that 74% Muslims are literate, but they are lesser in number in jobs than Dalits. He's gone on to say that less Muslims in government jobs is a matter of concern for the nation. Hitting out, the Saffron Clan Netas have said that Congress wants to snatch away quota of the SC/ST and give it to Muslims. BJP held the Grand Old Party responsible for the situation of Muslims in India.
आबादी के केवल 74% मुस्लिम लिटरेट है और महिलाएं लगभग 60% से कम है। और ये काफी शेड्यूल कास्ट शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स के भी अगर आप लेंगे तो उनके लगभग बराबर हो जाते हैं। लेकिन सरकारी नौकरियों में शेड्यूल कास्ट और शेड्यूल ट्राइब से हमारे मुस्लिम्स भी बहुत नीचे हैं। ये हम सब लोगों के लिए चिंता का विषय है।
कार्रवाई होती नहीं और वो बता देते हैं कि ये होने वाला है। याद करिए ना, एक उदाहरण देना चाहता हूँ। 26/11 का हमला हुआ, उनकी सरकार ने, कांग्रेस की सरकार ने कहा आपने सही ने कराया, दिग्विजय सिंह ने कहा आरएसएस ने कराया। तो इतना अद्भुत ज्ञान जिन वरिष्ठ नेता के ऊपर हो तो उस पर टिप्पणी करना मैं अनाधिकार चेष्टा मानता हूं।
सर, ये जो कार्यक्रम एक बैकग्राउंड बनाया जा रहा है, एक बेसिस बनाया जा रहा है कि किस प्रकार से हर जगह से आरक्षण छीन कर, आरक्षण खत्म करके SC/ST OBC का आरक्षण छीन कर मुस्लिमों को दे दिया जाए। और इसीलिए दिग्विजय सिंह इस प्रकार की भूमिका बना रहे हैं और इन्होंने ये किया भी है। कांग्रेस चाहती है कि किसी भी तरीके से जो संवैधानिक व्यवस्था है उसको चेंज करके आंबेडकर जी के खिलाफ जाकर धार्मिक आधार पर एक आरक्षण दिया जाए और वो आरक्षण OBC SC/ST से छीनकर मुस्लिम समाज को दिया जाए।
My colleague Hemendra Sharma getting in those details this morning is joining us from Bhopal right now. Hemendra, these comments of Digvijay Singh obviously has given just ample ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party that has been saying this for the longest time. And the demand for caste census stems from the fact that the Congress is interested in giving away jobs to Muslims and snatching them from SC/ST, Dalits. This is the final agenda of the Congress party, was what the BJP is saying.
Well, the BJP is trying to twist what Digvijay Singh said, but Digvijay Singh has said it in very clear words on Friday and on Saturday. On Saturday, he was addressing a press conference in Bhopal. What he said during the press conference, I'll tell you. But before that, in an event organized by professionals from the minority community, he said that the minorities, particularly Muslims, were not adequately represented in government jobs. And on Saturday, he said that the Congress party was for the caste census because there has to be representation in government jobs as per the caste, which the Congress party is also demanding. The caste census is the major plank, and he has also said that the RSS, they have changed their track. They have taken a U-turn on caste census, sensing that it is going to be a political issue in the coming days. And he has also pointed out that the Panch Janya, the official, the mouthpiece of the RSS, they had vehemently opposed caste census. So Digvijay Singh never in his statement has said that he is for taking away a reservation from SC/ST communities or from OBCs and giving it to the minorities, but he has been saying that the minorities have not got adequate representation and this needs to be looked into.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Hemendra Sharma getting in those details this morning as far as those comments from Digvijay Singh is concerned. A clarification has also come in.